Welcome to Rustic Lumber Store. We are Nebraska's largest specialty wood provider. With the largest inventory in the state, there's no waiting for slabs, big or small. All of our slabs are neatly organized within our warehouse where our clients can walk through and hand select their slab or visit our website where our stock is updated weekly. On our website, when selecting a slab, you'll find images of the slab, dimensions, pricing, and more. We have specialty equipment that allows us to handle even the biggest of slabs in our inventory. Our staff is comprised of skilled craftsmen that build everything in-house. We are delighted to see the smiles of our clients when we hand deliver their unique, handcrafted furniture. We cannot wait to see you at Rustic Lumber Store.